Rivian's plans of setting up a new production plant in Georgia are unshaken by the recent turmoils in the EV market, so is the stock a good buy? Sit tight for the next 10 minutes as we find out, but before we do that, subscribe to our channel $1 World for regular RIVN stock updates. The electric vehicle EV market in the United States is currently facing a tumultuous period. As EV manufacturers grapple with various challenges, Rivian Automotive, a promising EV startup, stands out for its resilience and forward-thinking approach. In this article, we will explore the challenges facing the EV industry, the reasons behind Rivian's success, and the broader landscape of EVs in the American market. Several major players in the American EV market have encountered setbacks that raise questions about the industry's future. Notably, Tesla, the pioneer of modern electric vehicles, has experienced a decline in profit margins, with a reported drop of 3.69%. This decline could be attributed to repeated price cuts aimed at boosting demand for Tesla cars. The demand for affordable EVs is currently hindered by higher interest rates, making these vehicles less accessible to potential buyers, as stated by Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk. General Motors, or GM, one of the largest automotive manufacturers in the world, has recently delayed a $4 billion plan to renovate a Michigan factory for the production of electric trucks. GM cites the need to better manage capital investment while aligning with evolving EV demand as the reason behind the delay. The company plans to incorporate engineering improvements to enhance the profitability of its electric trucks, signaling the importance of profitability in the EV market. Ford, another established automaker, is also facing challenges in its EV production. The company has reduced the production of its F-150 Lightning pickup trucks. However, it's important to note that this reduction is primarily due to supply chain constraints rather than a decline in EV demand or labor disputes with the UAW. In the midst of these challenges, Rivian Automotive is making remarkable strides. The EV startup recently announced its intention to commence construction on its second EV plant in Georgia in 2024. Adhering to its original schedule, the plant will focus on producing the R2 platform, a second-generation product that is expected to include smaller and more affordable EVs, further expanding Rivian's presence in the American auto market. Rivian has already made a significant impact with its first-generation vehicles and an electric delivery van developed for Amazon. These vehicles are currently being manufactured at Rivian's plant in Illinois. Rivian stock, despite experiencing initial fluctuations in early trading, has exhibited its resilience by only showing a modest 0.9% loss during mid-morning trading. This contrasts with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite, both of which experienced declines of about 0.7%. What sets Rivian apart from some of its competitors is its successful approach to producing EVs that cater to the preferences of American consumers. The company's innovative designs and focus on both quality and affordability have resonated with the market. In the first 3 quarters of 2023, Rivian sold over 36,000 vehicles, reflecting an impressive increase of nearly 200% from the previous year. It's essential to put the challenges faced by Tesla, GM, and Ford into context by examining the broader landscape of EV sales in the United States. While these challenges are significant, they do not necessarily represent an industry-wide trend. In the third quarter of 2023, more than 313,000 all-battery electric vehicles, or BEVs, were sold in the U.S., marking a substantial 50% year-over-year increase and accounting for approximately 8% of all new car sales. However, the U.S. lags behind both Europe and China in terms of BEV penetration in new car sales. Europe has achieved a BEV penetration of 20%, while China boasts a penetration rate of around 25%. The slower adoption of BEVs in the U.S. compared to other global markets can be attributed to a combination of factors, including market dynamics, consumer preferences, and infrastructure development. Notably, Ford and GM currently account for a smaller share of the U.S. EV market, representing approximately 4% and 3% of total U.S. sales, respectively. BMW, a prominent European automaker, is outperforming its American counterparts in the BEV segment. In the third quarter, BMW's U.S. BEV sales surged by an impressive 200% year-over-year, constituting over 15% of the company's total sales. The key takeaway from these developments is that U.S. consumers are willing to embrace EVs, provided that they find these vehicles appealing and practical for their needs. Rivian's success serves as a testament to this fact, as it has rapidly gained market share by delivering EVs that resonate with American consumers. In conclusion, while the American EV market is facing its fair share of challenges, Rivian Automotive stands out as a beacon of resilience and innovation. The company's commitment to producing high-quality, affordable EVs has struck a chord with consumers, leading to impressive sales figures and continued expansion. As the U.S. EV market evolves, competition remains fierce, and consumer preferences continue to shift. Rivian's success serves as a testament to the potential for growth and innovation within the American EV industry. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Let's talk about Rivian's stock performance. Rivian Automotive Inc. is currently marked by a market capitalization of $15.86 billion, with shares trading at a volume of $39.12 million. The stock's day range has fluctuated between $16.62 and $19.66, opening at $17.02 and closing at $17.39 on the previous day. Over the past year, Rivian stock has seen a 52-week range spanning from $11.68 to $36.45. It exhibits a relatively high beta of 2.32, with 940.31 million shares outstanding, a public float of 659.35 million, and a notable short interest of 86.67 million, equivalent to 13.14% of the float. The stock's average daily trading volume stands at 38.89 million. In terms of stock performance, Rivian has faced a year-to-date change of negative 42.52%, indicating a decline. The one-week change reflects a decrease of 7.63%, while the 1 month and 3 month changes are negative 14.89% and negative 23.57% respectively. Over the past 6 months, Rivian stock has seen a significant decline of negative 55.21%. Analyst ratings for Rivian stock include 2 strong buy recommendations, 12 buy ratings, 6 hold ratings, and 1 sell rating, with no strong sell recommendations. Key events in Rivian's recent history include an upcoming Q3 2023 earnings release scheduled for November 8, 2023. Notable news includes a partnership with Amazon, in which Rivian will deliver 100,000 electric vans to Amazon by 2030. Rivian has also inaugurated a new manufacturing plant in Normal, Illinois, capable of producing up to 200,000 vehicles annually at full capacity. However, a recall of approximately 13,000 vehicles due to a software issue that could result in power steering problems is expected to cost the company approximately $50 million. It's important to recognize that Rivian is a pre-revenue company, meaning it has not yet generated significant sales, putting it at risk of running low on cash before reaching profitability. Moreover, Rivian faces stiff competition in the electric vehicle market, with established automakers like Tesla, General Motors, and Ford Motor Company contending for market share. Given its relatively new status in the industry and limited historical performance, there's an inherent risk associated with Rivian's ability to execute on its plans. Regarding investment potential, Rivian is well positioned to capitalize on the anticipated rapid growth in the electric vehicle market. The company benefits from a strong management team with substantial experience in both the automotive and technology sectors. Rivian's unique product portfolio, which includes the R1T pickup truck, the R1S SUV, and the EDV delivery van, sets it apart in the market. However, potential buyers should be aware that investing in Rivian is a high-risk, high-reward venture. While the company has the potential to become a significant player in the electric vehicle sector, it is not without substantial risks. Talking more about the Georgia factory, Rivian is set to establish its next manufacturing facility at the Santon Springs North site, located approximately 40 minutes from Atlanta, spanning across Morgan and Walton counties. This new facility, when fully operational, will have an annual capacity of 400,000 units. Over the past few months, the state of Georgia and the Joint Development Authority of Jasper, Morgan, Newton, and Walton counties have collaborated with the state and local partners to prepare the site for Rivian's forthcoming expansion. Currently, the upper pad of the site is 95% graded and nearly ready for construction to commence. Rivian anticipates hosting a formal groundbreaking ceremony in early 2024, followed by the initiation of vertical construction. R.J. Scaringe, the CEO and founder of Rivian, expressed enthusiasm about the company's latest venture in Atlanta, emphasizing its proximity to the future R2 manufacturing campus. He stated that this space would serve as a crucial hub for connecting with the local community. During the construction phase of the new facility, Rivian's presence in Atlanta will be anchored at the Ponce City market, offering a platform for the public to engage with Rivian vehicles, participate in demo drives, and purchase exclusive merchandise. Rivian's approach involves using these spaces as community hubs, where various interactive events and programs are hosted, ranging from gardening workshops to bicycle repair services. Furthermore, as part of its ongoing expansion efforts in Georgia, Rivian has established an office in Covington, which is conveniently located near its future factory. The company is also reinforcing its local presence by appointing Tony Sanger as Vice President of Facilities, Georgia, and enhancing support functions to ensure an efficient and innovative construction process. These developments underscore Rivian's commitment to growth and engagement within the state of Georgia. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think the stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.